Jump starters quickly revive dead car batteries, ensuring instant mobility, safety, and emergency readiness without waiting for roadside assistance. Today's video is about top 5 best jump starters for dead car batteries that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Halo Portable Car Battery Jump Starter. The Halo Bolt Air is a versatile emergency tool that combines a powerful car jump starter, portable air compressor, and power bank in one compact device. Designed for convenience, it can jumpstart full-sized cars and SUVs, helping drivers get back on the road quickly when a dead battery strikes. Its built-in air compressor comes with 4 interchangeable nozzles, making it useful for inflating tires, sports balls, air mattresses, rafts, and more. The adjustable pressure setting and digital display eliminate guesswork, ensuring accurate inflation every time. Another standout feature is the integrated LED floodlight, which provides reliable illumination during nighttime emergencies or low-light situations. Whether you're changing a tire on a dark roadside or searching for items in your vehicle, the bright light adds extra peace of mind. Compact, easy to use, and packed with practical features, the Halo Bolt Air is an excellent companion for road trips, daily commutes, and emergency preparedness. It delivers dependable performance and multifunctional convenience, making it a smart addition to any vehicle. Now our second product is Lokithor Jump Starter with Air Compressor. The JP400 Jump Starter with Air Compressor is an impressive all-in-one emergency tool that combines power, portability, and innovation in a remarkably compact design. Recognized with the 2025 German Design Award, it delivers a powerful 2500 A peak current, capable of jump-starting 12V vehicles with up to 8.5L gas or 6.5L diesel engines, even in harsh weather conditions. Its built-in 150 psi cordless air compressor makes tire inflation quick and hassle-free. With preset modes and automatic shutoff, users can easily inflate car tires, motorcycles, bicycles, and sports equipment with precision. Safety is another major strength, thanks to its advanced battery management system and 10-layer protection system that helps prevent common electrical hazards. The exclusive ConnectMax technology improves starting reliability by compensating for poor battery terminal contact, making the JP400 even more dependable. A bright 300-lumen LED light with flashlight, strobe, and SOS modes adds extra value for roadside emergencies, while dual USB ports keep devices charged on the go. With its smart LED display, durable construction, and long standby life, the JP400 is a reliable and highly practical companion for every driver. Our third product is Auxbeam Jump Starter with Air Compressor. The 3000A portable car jump starter is a compact yet powerful roadside companion designed for drivers who want reliability in emergencies. Capable of jump-starting vehicles with up to 6.0L gas and 3.0L diesel engines, it delivers fast and dependable performance, even in extreme temperatures ranging from -4°F to 140°F. With the ability to provide up to 20 starts on a single charge, it's always ready when you need it most. The integrated 150 psi air compressor is another standout feature. It inflates tires quickly, offers multiple pressure units, and automatically stops at the preset level for added convenience and accuracy. Whether you're inflating car tires, bicycle tires, or sports balls, the process is simple and efficient. Safety is a major highlight, with UL and FCC certifications and 10 layers of protection against common electrical issues. The bright 2.4-inch display clearly shows battery status, tire pressure, and important alerts, making operation easy in any lighting condition. Combining jump-starting, tire inflation, device charging, and emergency lighting in one portable unit, this 6-in-1 tool is an excellent addition to any vehicle. Now number 4, Acmount Car Battery Jump Starter. The Acmount P100 Jump Starter is a powerful and dependable emergency tool designed to handle a wide range of vehicles. Featuring an impressive 5000A peak current, it can quickly jumpstart engines up to 10.0L gas and 8.0L diesel, making it suitable for cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, RVs, and even tractors. With the ability to deliver up to 60 jump starts on a full charge, it offers excellent reliability when you need it most. Beyond jumpstarting, the P100 doubles as a portable power bank with dual USB 3.0 outputs, allowing you to charge smartphones, tablets, and other USB-powered devices on the go. Safety is a key strength, thanks to its intelligent jumper clamps and 10 advanced protection features that guard against sparks, reverse polarity, short circuits, and other common issues. The built-in LED flashlight with flash, strobe, and SOS modes adds extra convenience during roadside emergencies or outdoor activities. Combined with a long battery standby time of up to 12 months, the Acmount P100 is a practical, versatile, and dependable companion for every vehicle owner. And our last choice is AstroAI Car Battery Jump Starter. The AstroAI S8 Ultra Jump Starter is a powerful and well-designed emergency tool that delivers outstanding performance when it matters most. With an impressive 4000 A peak current and advanced 45C discharge technology, it can reliably jumpstart all gas engines and diesel engines up to 12L, even when the battery is completely drained. One of its biggest advantages is its user-friendly operation. The included smart jumper cables automatically analyze battery voltage and provide the correct boost, making the jump-starting process simple and safe for both beginners and experienced drivers. The dedicated boost mode is especially useful for reviving deeply discharged batteries. Safety is a major strength of the S8 Ultra. It features 10 layers of protection, including reverse polarity, short circuit, overcurrent, and temperature protection. Its IP65 rated waterproof, dustproof, and drop-resistant construction adds durability for real-world conditions. Beyond jump-starting, the S8 Ultra also functions as a portable power bank, allowing users to charge phones, tablets, and other devices. The integrated flashlight with multiple lighting modes further enhances its emergency readiness. Compact, dependable, and packed with practical features, the AstroAI S8 Ultra is an excellent roadside companion for any vehicle owner. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.